Hello everyone. So today we will be going over our website JSTStream.com, where you get access to a whole bunch of information and knowledge when it comes to trading, as well as you can access the range bars and the audio signals. And we're going to be going through how to access and use our range bar system. So if it's your first time here, click register on the top menu, click continue with email. Now over here, you can register your free account. Once you have registered, click login on the top right corner, click continue with email, and now here you can enter your credentials and click login. Now, once you've accessed this page over here, it gives you the exact steps on how to get started. So the first thing you'd want to do is step one is create your trading account right here on abado.com. Step two is to watch the training videos to learn how to trade by clicking this how to videos button. And step three is to join our Discord, where there's a lot of information. We have over 7,000 members who are always trying to learn and benefit each other. So you can join our group and you can ask any questions you'd like pretty much 24/7. And we also have a 24/7 live Zoom training going on. So you can click here, register, and join our live Zoom trading every single day. Now let's go ahead and enter the range bars room. So click access right here. Now on this page, you'll see all of the live streams running. So we have the range bars running on all of the major pairs. So at the top here, we have all of our Forex pairs. So for example, we have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and the other major pairs. Over here, we have the cryptocurrency range bar. So we have all the major cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP. Here we have the commodities and indices stream. So it includes gold, oil, and then all of the indices, the major indices as well. So S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, and Dow Jones. And finally, at the bottom here, we have the equity stream, which is all of the stocks, all the major stocks. So Amazon, Tesla, Microsoft, etc. Now, these are called our range bars. Now, they run on all of the markets and they run 24/7 directly off of our servers. And what happens is we're able to use the range bars to enter and exit our trades in a very strategic, in a very systematic manner. So today, let's go over what are range bars. So the range bars are candles that are based only on price action, only on actual market movements. So they're not generated based on time, like all of the other time-based candles that you see on every other chart. These are very special candles that only move when the market actually moves. So what that does is it gives us these very clean and linear trends. For example, you can see here we were in a very nice uptrend and we had this what we call a reversal, which means that we're going from an uptrend, now we're reversing into a downtrend. So what it does is we're able to use the range bars without any noise. For example, the noise of time. Now let's go over how to use the range bars. Now, the way we use the range bars is always on a reversal. So we are always looking for a reversal of a trend. So let's look at an example here. So this is the Litecoin chart. We can see right here that we were in this nice big uptrend on Litecoin. And right here, we're starting to get this red candle forming, which means that we're about to see a reversal or potentially about to see a reversal on Litecoin. Now, in trading, there's only two options. There's either a buy trade, which means we're able to make money when the market's going up. And then there's also a sell trade or a short position where we're able to make money when the market comes down. So as traders, we're actually able to take advantage of all of the different market conditions, whether the market is going up or the market is going down. We're able to take advantage of it because we can make money in both ways. So now, for example, this is a great example happening right here on the Bitcoin chart. We can see we're in this downtrend right here. When we're starting to see this green candle forming, we would be looking for a buy trade because we know that this trend, which was a downtrend, is now starting to reverse. And then we would be entering a buy trade and then setting our stop loss and take profit and then letting this trade ride out.